Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial on the 2025 or 2026 Buick Enclave, and that is how do you control the rear air conditioning from the center screen. Well, it's a little small, so you might easily overlook it, but right there it says rear. So we're going to select that, and you can see there are the controls for the rear area of the vehicle. Now there's a couple of other ways you can do this. We can also go back out right here, and we can come to climate right there, and it's going to take us to the same screen. Now to get back to the front seating controls, we're going to be able to go from here. Notice how that's highlighted in orange. Now the top area is highlighted in orange. You'll notice that it's fully filled in for the front seat right here, and then for the back seat right here. Hopefully that shows up on the screen, or you can see that very well. But that is how you ultimately do that. You do still have your physical controls for the front seating area, and there's also physical controls for the rear seating area. But I hope that tutorial is helpful to somebody. Tell me down in the comments if there is something else you would like to see, and I will make that tutorial for you, whether it's on a Buick or something else. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.